Let us celebrate the festival of lights with healthy Diwali sweets and snacks. Hello friends, welcome back to Ravneet Bhalla's channel. Here's presenting a delectable coconut burfi vegan with dates which uses no sugar, no oil, no butter and no jaggery. Let's make healthy Diwali sweet, gluten-free and refined sugar-free. For this recipe to make coconut burfi vegan, you need 1/4 cup of coconut butter and 1/4 cup of dates syrup. All of these ingredients are homemade. If you want the recipes, post me in comments, and I have already shared the recipe to make coconut butter at home. Please check the link in description. Mix both ingredients well. If you want to add more date syrup, please add. Next, add 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll need to cook this mix and add green cardamom powder for flavor if you want. Continue to cook on medium until everything looks mixed. This will take just 1 minute. Next, add 1.5 cups of fresh coconut and continue to stir until it looks all mixed well. Continue to cook on low and you will need to cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes until it looks mixed and it can retain its shape like a fudge. Now remove in a greased tin. Pour our coconut burfi dough into a greased tin. Spread and press gently. It will be loose at this stage, but once we set it in the refrigerator, it will harden a bit and turn into a delicious vegan coconut burfi which is sugar-free and tastes amazingly delicious. Make cut marks before freezing and then decorate with nuts of choice. I have used slivered almonds here. You may use pistachio or even dry scraped coconut, desiccated coconut as well. Set in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours to set. Press gently so that the nuts stick. Now remove from the fridge and cut again. Enjoy melt in the mouth coconut burfi without oil, ghee or sugar. I hope you like this recipe. Stay safe, stay blessed. Happy Diwali.